Your brain is your most valuable asset. It controls everything you do, and it's important to take care of it by making healthy choices. Unfortunately, many people make habits that can hurt their brain. In this blog post, we will discuss some of the most common bad habits and how they can damage your brain. We'll also provide tips on how to break these unhealthy habits and protect your health. Habit number 1: not sleeping enough. Not sleeping enough is one of the worst things you can do for your brain. When you don't get enough sleep, your brain doesn't have a chance to rest and recover from the day. This can lead to serious problems like cognitive decline, memory loss, and mood swings. In fact, some studies suggest that a lack of sleep can increase the risk of dementia. If you want to protect your brain, make sure you're consistently getting at least 7 hours of sleep every night. It is also important to have any sleep disorders addressed, such as sleep apnea. Habit number 2: smoking. Smoking is another horrible habit. It is one of the worst things you can do for your overall health, and that includes your brain health as well. Smoking damages blood vessels and causes chronic inflammation, which can lead to stroke and cognitive decline. People who smoke are also twice as likely to develop dementia. If you smoke, quitting is the best thing you can do for your brain and your body. Habit number 3: spending too much time alone. While we all crave alone time every now and then, socialization is important to your brain's health. Spending too much time alone can be just as bad for your brain as not sleeping enough. When you're constantly around other people, your brain gets stimulation from social interaction. Habit number 4: overeating. Overeating is another habit that can hurt your brain, even if you are eating healthy. Overeating has been associated with problems like memory loss and cognitive decline in older adults. However, the exact relationship between overeating and mental decline is still being researched to learn more. If you want to protect your brain, make sure you're eating a healthy diet and practicing quantity control. Habit number 5: eating too much junk food. Just as overeating in general can hurt your brain, eating too much junk food can also be detrimental. Junk food is bad for your health, and that includes your brain. Believe it or not, people who consume higher amounts of fries, potato chips, hamburgers, and soft drinks have smaller parts of the brain associated with learning, memory, and mental health. Habit number 6: spending too much time in the dark. If you spend too much time in the dark, your brain doesn't get enough exposure to sunlight. This can lead to problems like seasonal affective disorder and depression. If you want to keep your brain healthy, make sure you're getting plenty of sunlight every day. Open those shades every now and then, and be sure to get outside from time to time. Habit number 7: ignoring your health issues. If you have a health problem, it's important to see a doctor and get treatment. Ignoring your health issues can lead to serious problems down the road, including brain damage. For example, people who have untreated hypertension are more likely to develop dementia. Untreated depression and diabetes can also be harmful to your brain. If you want to keep your brain healthy, make sure you're seeing a doctor for all of your health concerns. These are just a few of the habits that can hurt your brain. If you want to keep your brain healthy, make sure you're aware of these habits and avoid them as much as possible. Remember, your brain is a delicate organ, and it needs to be treated with care. Your brain will thank you for it.